a slime. So, if you see pink, you're right. But if you see white or purple, that means, or like purple or lavender, that means you're wrong. This time is fine to my eyes, but now, no. Also, there's a bit slime in my shirt, but okay. But I don't care. If you hear screaming, that's my little brother just screaming in the background. I don't really know how to get some background sounds, but okay. The slime is mine. And also a bit docile to me. Haha, this is so satisfying when you do this. When you do this, it's a bit satisfying. Don't get in there. Hop. And satisfying. And I love satisfying stuff because it's so relaxing. But also I want to tell you about me. So if I wanted to go to sleep, I use some relaxing rain sounds. That's soft. And nice. And I use my old plushie, which is a bit dirty, but I keep it. Also the slime. And also I have this for my brother. Spanking! Speaking of it, I'm trying to be docile. So when I was outside, I was playing slime and bubbles. So first off bubbles. So I played the bubbles for a second. My brother was very interested. He was like, "What is that?" He was still a baby. I don't know why he loved pudding, but I love pudding too. Being docile like this. Being docile. You know what docile is? Hey! Oh, pop it. Pop to drop. I love slime when I was a kid, but it keep being gone. Also, I love Barbies when I was a kid, but I'm not even girly. I'm just a bit tomboyish. I'm rolling the slime. I'm gonna show you the little bit slime. I'm going to show you the slime. See? 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 You can see it? Okay. Here's the freaking slime! I just smooshed it into pieces. I speak Spanish too, but kinda. Como se te hago en veras. See? I can speak Spanish. Kinda. Finger. Sorry. Also, it's pink. So before this slime turned pink, my older brother, my cousin, which is older, than me, helping me to not being sticky. It was red before, but now it's pink or lavender, whatever. And this slime was a bit sticky. It was so sticky, my hands were dropping off to the limits. Also, check out my friend. Also check out my friend Witty Gaming Plays. He had a lot of subscribers, but I'm proud of him getting a lot of subscribers. Also, anyways, why does that look like Among Us? Anyways, but Among Us may be ruling the planet Earth, I think, because I see all the objects look like Among Us, and I'm smashing it and pretending this is Among Us. Stick it! Also, I love animations. I'm trying to be making an animation, but I keep failing the much. Hello, my little brother. This is my little brother. Ow! What are you doing? Growing slime. Okay, let me show you. I buy the slime, not making it. I buy the slime, okay? I'm not baking it, so I'm making it lavender or pink, whatever. Don't go near it. Don't go near it, my brother. Stop! Freaking. Trying to be smooth. A balloon. A little. Ah! So I love watching Bat19 and the fandoms. Well, and also check out my other friend Yenny Barrow. Or you can call her Yenny if it's hard to call it